Hey guys, welcome on back to the Anchorage. We're going to be continuing building the Raspberry Pi 5 case today on Pi Quest. Alright, so like I said before, we're actually going to be continuing construction of the Raspberry Pi 5 case. So we're going to be doing that, and it's going to be really good. So I'm not going to lack around or anything like that. Let's just get right to it.
Try again. Try again. Try again.
Well, it's all done, and I am so glad it's done. It actually took me over a week. So these spots in this shot here, it's all done in a couple of minutes, more or less. So all of that constructing and everything like that, that took place over the course of a week. I was not going to be jumping into it and just getting it all done in one fall swoop. I wasn't going to do that at all. So yeah, so here it is. And I actually had to do my little Battlestar thing on it, and yeah, I've got the Colonial Phoenix on the back there. So yeah, so I've got this all done. So I hope you really enjoyed that, and yeah, and the actual montage-y kind of part there. With that music. The music was provided by Hacksman, which is another YouTube channel. And he had those tracks, he had that track made, and he's got a lot of other tracks. And he has said in his videos that people can actually use them in their videos. So I wanted to do that myself. So I went ahead and did that. And I've got a slight update regarding my set deck, also known as set decorations. You can probably see it. That's been pushed over. And directly behind me here, there's the printer that I did recently. So that's that HP Envy that I decided to retrofy, and I've got it over there. Now it's on the other side of the room, mainly because, well, it's a network printer, and unfortunately it is over Wi-Fi. But I've got it isolated to inside the network. So it doesn't go out for anything, and automatic updates are shut off because of the on printer ink, which I covered on here before. And yeah, and it's a lot nicer background, I think. I don't know. I want you guys to tell me down below. And just like in the other previous videos, I've got an ESP card back there. That guy. Tell me what that is in the comments down below. So thank you very much. We'll talk to you later, and Skál, and there you go.